Morning, sir. Myself Deepak Sai Kumar. My registration number is 17MS0239. My project title is Online Shopping, and the introduction about online shopping is the process of consumers which are purchase products or services over the internet. An online shop or e-store, internet shop, online store, physical analogy of buying products or service, a bricks and mortar retailer in shopping mall. And the existing system in nowadays are many customers are purchasing offline to examine the product. If we can such a make of list of items, would like to try while shopping before actually going out. This way we can buy more confident in our purchase and not missing out something. Limitations of our existing system are time consuming, shipping rates, lack of option, cashback offers, not open 24 by 7 services. I will propose a system that it can save time and money through online shopping. And the online shopping gives more number of opportunities to get offers. And advantages of my proposed system is convenience, immediacy, quality, discount and offers. Description of software and hardware requirements. The section provides software requirement overview of system. Various software functional modules that can implemented by the system will be registration, technical issues, etc. Hardware requirements, security. The system uses security socket layer in all transactions that include any confidential customer information. And availability, maintainability, etc. Design. My proposed system in use case diagrams. Customer, registered customer, new customer. Registered customer can view items and purchase and check out. New customer can click a client registration and service authentication, identify provider, credit payment services, and other UPI options. The same proposed system in the class diagram. Web user, customer, account, payment, order, etc. State diagram. Customer can log in through our website, account verification, managing of account, adding the liked items to the cart, and if a customer didn't like the items, cancel from the cart, and order processing, paymenting of money, delivering the items to the customer. Sequence diagram. Members involved in the sequence diagrams are customer, employee, generate bill and database. First, customer can select items and scan barcode for price, returning the item and description, calculating the total amount, ask for payment, paymenting the amount, updating database items and transaction database upload. Activity diagram. Starting the scale, scan barcoding, getting description and getting price, process sale, first item, generate receipt, taking payment, general payments, etc. Implementation. Customer account module, order status history, reorders from account, recently ordered items, downloadable products, address books and unlimited addresses, default billing and shipping addresses, wish list with ability to add documents, etc. Catalog browsing modules. It will show at the starting of the website layered and navigation for filtering products and product comparisons, recently compared products, popular search term cloud, filter by product tags, product reviews, product listing in grid or list format, breadcrumbs, product browsing module, multiple images for product, related product stock availability, checkout module, one page checkout, SSL security support, payment module, shipping module, order management, etc. Sample coding and screenshots of my website. First login form. Customer can log in through her username and password. If he doesn't have an account, he have to click here to create a new account. Registration form. Registration form. First name, last name, username, password and address. If he registered with his details, then he have to log in through above form. Shopping items. Online shopping. Fashion, electronics, grocery, automobiles. You have to select which the items, what the items he want to buy. Billing system. Online billing system. Number of items he added in the cart of fashion and electronics, grocery, automobiles. Total cost of items, delivery charges, GST, CGST. Database connectivity. To run the website, I used some tools. First using tool is ShortSite testing tool. ShortSite is one-click website testing tool used by federal agencies, Fortune 100 corporations, and independent consultancies. The tool is available as desktop application for Mac or Windows. Checkpoint, accessibility, broken links, compatibility, search engine optimization, privacy, web standards, usability. Benefits, problems like broken links, spelling errors, and usability problems drive visitors away from our site. Search engine issues stop visitors before they arrive. Find and fix website problems before your customers or executive find them. Second tool is Pingnum. A web page is made up of different assets such as HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and images. Six testing, Pingnum testing. It shows performance grade, page side loading items, and requests of the customers. Short site testing tool, errors, accessibility, compatibility, standards, search. That's it. That's the process of creating website of online shopping. Thank you.